Hello, welcome to your first project. So this project is going to be a very basic calculator. Don't get fancy with this. Don't waste your time on CSS and HTML and making this calculator look beautiful. I mean, if you want to, go for it, but that's not the goal of this exercise. So you should have your first number here, your second number here, and whatever you want to do in here. You click the calculate button and a number shows up underneath. Now, I've given you the base layout of this already. So it's just a basic form. You have your submit button. You have number 1, number 2. And actually, those are incorrect. ID, there we go. You have number 1 and number 2. And then you have whatever selection you have in here. Now, I've left some things purposely blank. Like, which event are you going to use? We don't know yet. So you might have to do a little bit of Googling for that. Or you can refer to a previous lesson or previous project that you've done. Really anything else that you can help speed this up. This should not take you very long at all. But you know, if you do get stuck, that's totally fine too. If you do get stuck, I will be providing an answer. I'm just going to record how I build this out, using everything that we've learned up until this point in the next lesson. So if you get stuck, you can just watch me build it. Or you can ask questions in the Facebook group or leave a comment or a question down below. But in order to get this working, all you need is everything we have used up until this point. There's going to be a bunch of stuff you don't need as well. So just give this your best shot. Give it your best effort. Nothing in here is going to be too complicated. And remember, keeping it simple is your friend. Don't overcomplicate this.